Hey everyone, to get you all into the Christmas spirits, I'm going to share with you my recipe for homemade Bailey's Irish cream. It tastes better than shop bought and is actually cheaper to make, and you can whip it up in about 5 minutes. How good is that? Alright, time to make homemade Bailey's Irish cream. You can make this recipe in a medium-sized bowl or a liquidizer. We're starting with sweetened condensed milk, pour it into the bowl. And now we're going to add coffee. I use instant, but first I dissolve it in a teaspoon of warm water. Give it a stir until dissolved and pour it in on top of the condensed milk. Now you can add the chocolate sauce. We're adding vanilla extract and finally the cream. You can use single, double or heavy whipping cream. Give it a whisk for about 20 to 30 seconds, no longer because you don't want it to thicken. The final ingredient is whiskey. I use Jameson Irish whiskey. You can use whichever one you prefer. Pour it all in, every last drop, and give it a quick whisk. Everyone loves Bailey's Irish cream, and I don't think people realise how easy it is to make. Now we're going to get this into a bottle. This recipe makes about 1 litre of delicious Irish cream. Pour it into a sterilised bottle. This can be kept in the fridge for up to 2 weeks if it lasts that long. And when you go to use it, make sure you give it a good shake. I love to use Bailey's in my baking. Check out my channel or my page where you'll find some really nice recipes. There's a gorgeous recipe for Bailey's chocolate cheesecake. Other favourites are Bailey's cupcakes and Bailey's ice cream. Yum! You can even add this Bailey's Irish cream if you like to your hot chocolate or to coffee. So many lovely ways to enjoy it. You'll find the full recipe for this homemade Irish cream in the description box under the video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you all next week for another Scrummy video.
Scrummy!